Hey there everybody, how's it going? This is John Matthew and you're watching CineManiacs 24/7, a channel dedicated to movies, music, physical media, books, video games and pop culture. Today I have in front of you the DVD for Finding Nemo, the world's highest selling DVD apparently in one of Disney's best animated movies till date. This is the front of the DVD as you can see, and today on my channel we are going to review the DVD of this film and completely tell you all the aspects about this movie. Before we proceed further, I would request you guys to please like, comment and share, subscribe on my channel. It really helps me when you people watch my videos and like them and comment on them. Please do so. So without any further delays guys, we will start off with this video, and if you have anything to tell me in the comment section, anything you want to tell about this DVD or this movie, you are most welcome to do so. I really appreciate people coming forward and telling me stuff about movies. I really appreciate it. Anyway guys, let's move ahead and learn something new today. So as you can see here guys, this is the DVD of the film in the front. This is the orange cover, of course, reminds me of Nemo's color actually. The best thing about the Indian made Disney DVDs was that they had this strange idea of basically having a face of the character on the DVD's cover, and they had the title here. That's how they used to show the DVD. All the DVDs that I have in my collection, most of them are like that. I can show you a few more samples just to confirm the case. Here there is Monsters Inc. You can look at it, it has the same pattern. You have Sullivan's face and the entire DVD here with the title Monsters Inc. You similarly have The Incredibles, another great Pixar movie which we will review next someday. Here you have A Bug's Life, great movie, the same theme. This is Flick's head along with the title. Here we go with A Bug's Life. And lastly, I have Toy Story 3 here. A brilliant Disney movie, the most emotional Disney film of all time. The rear here. We'll talk about this someday soon. Coming back to the review, this is the front of the DVD, completely orange color. I like the brilliant design of this. Of course, you know, slip covers in the UK for the DVD of course resemble this thing, and the Australian DVD has the same aesthetic as this one, just that they have the M here at the left corner. Turning to the rear, it's of course a little different. Here you have the rear of the DVD, which is pretty much like this. I can enlarge it for you so that you can read it. Wait guys, yeah. You can read the menu, I presume. This is how it looks like. This is a one disc edition. It clearly makes it evident by writing it down. This is the special features that are available on the DVD, the technical specifications as they have given up in all the languages. The aspect ratio is a little different here this time. It's 1.78:1. I've tried testing it on a 1.85:1. It looks brilliant. It has a 16:9 widescreen presentation. The format is DVD9, a dual layer single-sided disc. That's the reason it holds close to around 8 GB or 8.2 GB, something like that. And there's a small surprise for you about the picture quality of this DVD, which I'll come to in a little while. This is particularly for India, works for Region 5 PAL, the same censor board certificate, Disney logos, the cost of course close to around 5.99 GBP, 4 GBP something, and in the dollars it is like $4 or $5, something like that. The manufacturer details, of course, this place that you can see, Sony DADC, in India of course that place has gone bust, it does not exist anymore. So this is the rear of the DVD. Here you have a blue cover of course, and there's Dory there. This is blue and the front is basically orange. Strange contrast, but yeah, looks beautiful. Let's open up the DVD. Okay, open up Sesame. Yes, did open up. So as you see, this is the entire interior of the DVD. There's a small push mechanism here for the entire disc. This is how the disc looks like anyway. You have this turtle here, whose name I don't seem to remember. Of course, he was a very iconic character to that film. There's this child version of the turtle. This is Marlin, Dory, the title here. And this one is the DVD, as I said. Of course, with Sony DADC and the region codecs available here, the Disney DVD logo available. I don't think you can see it, right? Let me enlarge it for you. Yeah, Disney DVD, Sony DADC Home Entertainment Services, all the other logos by the side. This is how the entire DVD looks like. Yeah, so this is it. This is the interior of the DVD. I hope you guys see it clearly. Oh, there's something here. I don't think I can clean it out. Let me clean it out some other day. Okay, so this is the DVD as you saw it. Let's keep it here, and very soon I'll get back and we'll talk about the rest of the aspects of the DVD. Finally guys, I'm back here. The surprise that I was talking about in this particular video is that Finding Nemo the DVD is one of the best movies in my entire collection, because after Jurassic Park 3, this DVD is the second most amazing DVD in terms of picture quality. It has a fantastic restoration, a fabulous restoration that I'm still in awe of looking at. When I looked at it on the laptop of mine, when I looked at it on the computer that I have, this DVD was practically performing the best, and I seriously mean it. This DVD is one of the best DVDs in my entire collection after Jurassic Park 3. Of course, this DVD does not seem to have a little bit of DVD smudge. That is, when 480p DVD is shown on a TV screen or on a laptop screen or a computer screen, you can see there are parts of the image that get pixelated. This problem of pixelation can actually be solved by an upscaling DVD player that converts 480p to 1080p Blu-ray quality. But of course, most players, I don't think so, they have it. The player that I know which can do this kind of job is a Panasonic S700. I'll set the link to that thing in the description below. Hope you can find it and buy it. I do think so you can do it. Anyway, so this is the aspect ratio and picture quality of the DVD. Phenomenal. Looks absolutely brilliant, and the color restoration is, my god, fantastic. Fantastic actually. The DVD menu is okay, not so very cool, not so very dynamic as the DVD menus for Toy Story and Monsters INC. The DVD menu is pretty much okayish at best. It could have been better in my opinion. A lot of things could have been a lot of innovative, but it's just that okay, sometimes some things don't work well, but we don't have to, think much about it. This is the menu of the DVD. Special features, of course, they could have added a lot more, but this DVD, due to the lack of many major special features, it actually is good in terms of quality. And I'm not really saying that it's not good in terms of quality. It's the best of my entire collection, one of the best in fact. But it could have had a lot of special features. As I stated, most of my DVDs of the Disney movies are filled with special features. Very soon I'm going to get the DVD for Wall-E as well. The old Wall-E DVD that I had, I'm selling it off because I have a problem with it. Somebody apparently from my collector's base, or let's say my acquaintances base, apparently liked the DVD and he wants to buy it for a go away price. So I was like, fine, go buy it, because I found the DVD to Wall-E in a different format which pretty much resembles this. You have the face of Wall-E here along with a dark blue background. If I get the DVD, I'll show it to you guys someday. So this is the DVD for Finding Nemo. The problems with the DVD menu and the special features are okayish at best. The subtitles are fine. The DVD also gives you an option to view it in my native language, that is Hindi. Out here in India we use it. This is the DVD for Finding Nemo. Of course, the menu and the special features could have been better. The sound is phenomenal. If you view it on a 5.1 speaker with, of course, some enhancements, it will look really, really phenomenal. And you can enjoy this movie all the time. For those of you who are Blu-ray and 4K enthusiasts, I'm going to send a link down in the description. You can buy it from there too. There's no problem. You will enjoy this movie a lot. I hope you enjoyed my video as well. This was my review. Sorry, this was my review for Finding Nemo, the DVD. I hope you like it. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more notifications. I'll be doing more and more Disney DVD reviews very soon. Take care guys, stay safe, and keep watching physical media and keep buying your favorite movies and keep them. The best way to own your movies is to actually buy them physically in a DVD, in a Blu-ray or a 4K or a VHS. Just buy the movie and keep it with you. That's the best way you can pay back to the filmmaker. Anyway guys, this is me, John Matthew, signing off. See you in some other video. Take care. Godspeed.